Oh, g'day. I'm Trevor. See, you found my fishing spot. Wasn't that much of a secret after all. Oh, g'day guys. Welcome to another episode of Fishing with Trev. I'm Trevor, down at the River Street boat ramp, Pioneer River. 6:30 in the morning. Hey, let's get out there, eh? Hey guys, something different today. Just out near the boat ramp. I've only moved about 20 metres from the boat ramp. I'm tucked right in against it. They've been catching some really good fish here, so I thought I'd try here today. Not much of a tide, so no use going out to my normal spots. Hey, keep watching. Let's see what we can get, eh? And there was some good herring there today. The herring seem to have come back. Put a little one on. Like normal, up through the beak, up through the top. Get him out there, see what happens. I seem to be on. I've just moved out a little bit further. Whoa. Yep, he's taken off too. A double hook up. Again. Heap of herring around this area, so I thought I'd try here. Oh. Has been raining. Up you come. Up you come. Oh, can't put too much tension on it. That one's going off too. Oh. Haven't had time to put the third one out yet. I've only just got here. Queenfish by the look of that. Oh, yep, that's another queenfish there. This is where I normally lose them. And one in the boat. Quickly get rid of this one. And he's measuring at, oh, let's see, 670. Hey, we'll let him go. And the other one. I've caught some nice fish at this spot before. Bring them in. Another queenfish by the look of that. Be nice to get a barra here. Oh, come here. Oh. Oh, they're putting up a battle. Oh, come here. Not on that. Another one in the boat. Oh, jeez. That one's even bigger by the look of it. Yeah, he's running 740. Awesome. Oh, come here. 740 centimetre queenfish. We'll let him go too, eh? And off he goes. There he is. Water's that clear, you can still see him swimming away there. Like he doesn't even care. What I've been doing, sabiki rig in, catching my bait here, putting on the line there, throwing out there, catching the fish just out a bit further. The bigger fish are hanging around here because the herring are hanging around here. Awesome. Again, by the look of it, just had time to catch a couple more herring, put on the line. Oh, he's going for it too. I've got the tension set up fairly tight, can't do it too tight. 15-pound line. Go on, fish. Pull it back, wind her in. Pull it back, wind her in. Come on. Oh, he's digging. I could see him down there. And this is where I lose him. He's in the boat. And he's running, oh, 650. Hey, we'll let him go. Bleeding a bit from the side, but he's all right. And off he goes. Yep, there he goes. He's okay. Hey guys, that time of the day again. Time to rock and roll out of here. Just goes to prove you don't have to go far to catch the fish. I'm right next to the boat ramp. Hey, I hope you've enjoyed this session today. And I'll catch you later. You have a good one, eh? If you like what you see, please subscribe. Click the bell for notifications and share if you like. You have a good day.